Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 4 of our mensuration lesson regarding the CSA, TSA of a cylinder. Now coming to the 9th question, a closed metallic cylinder has its base diameter 56 centimeter and it is a 2.25 meter high. Find the cost of the metal used to make it if it costs rupees 80 per मीटर स्क्वायर. एक सिलेंडर बनाने का है तो उसके लिए सोचो टिन का सिलेंडर है तो कितना मेटल यूज हो रहा है, मतलब क्या है, टीएसए फाइंड आउट करने का है ना. फुल टिन को बनाने का, टिन का सिलेंडर बनाने का है. So it is a closed metallic cylinder. चलो, what are all given? First you write solution. Cylinder diameter is given. How much? 56 centimeter. So R is equal to 56 by 2. 2 how much are? 2 2s are 4. 1 remains. 2 8s are 16. So you got 28 centimeter. Now height h is equal to 2.25 meter. This is in meter. So convert into centimeter. इधर पर मीटर दिया है बट बाद में हम चेंज करेंगे, कैलकुलेशन के लिए इजी पड़ता है, नहीं तो ये डेसिमल में आएगा, ए भी डेसिमल में है तो कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा टफ होगा. सो कन्वर्ट इनटू सेंटीमीटर. 2.25 into 100 it becomes 225 centimeter. Now total surface area, isn't it? So total surface area of cylinder, what is the formula? Remember, it is 2 pi r, r plus h. This 2 into 22 by 7, that is pi, r is 28, bracket, r is 28 plus h is 225. Now 7 ones are, 7 fours are. So you got 44 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16 plus 1 17 into 8 plus 5. That is 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 2. When you multiply, you will get 4, 4, 5, 2, 8 centimeter square. 4, 4, 5, 2, 8 centimeter square. But it is in meter square, isn't it? Cost is in per meter square. Convert into meter square. Earlier I have told you centimeter square into meter square. Put the decimal, 4 decimal places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it becomes 4.4528 meter square. You got in the meter square. Now you write, find the cost. Cost of the metal used at rupees 80 per square meter. Rupees 80 into 4.4528. Rupees, put this 0. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16 plus 6, it is 8 2s are 16 plus 6, 22 to 8 5s are 40, 42, 4 in hand, 8 fours are 32 plus 4, 36, 8 fours are 32, 33, 34, 35. Now 4 decimals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now round off to 2 decimals, isn't it? Rupees, paise, 2 decimals. So it is 356 point. The third decimal, that is 4. 5 से ज़्यादा है तो ये बढ़ेगा, तो ये 22 ही रहेगा. Answer is rupees 356.22. Hope all students are confident. Calculation part you have to be careful. So first you find out the TSA and then into 80. Then centimeter square. So convert into meter square and then multiply by 80. That was question number 9. Now coming to the question number 10. It is little bit tricky. What they have told, there is a rectangular piece of paper that is 22 centimeter in length. Okay, so the length of the rectangular piece is 22 centimeter and the width is 10 centimeter. It is rolled along its length. Okay, now this is a rectangular sheet. Okay, this is the length, isn't it? This is the length and this is the breadth of the rectangular sheet. Now they have told it is rolled into a cylinder along its length. So length के उधर उसको ऐसे fold करो, roll करने के वक्त ये cylinder मिला आपको, isn't it? Now you got a cylinder. So cylinder का अभी क्या बनेगा? ये length, ये length of the rectangular paper, it became a what? ये circle बना. सर्कल का ये बाउंड्री को क्या बोलते हैं हम? द सर्कमफरेंस, है ना? सर्कल का बाउंड्री को बोलते हैं सर्कमफरेंस. सो लेंथ बिकेम द सर्कमफरेंस. एंड नाउ दिस ब्रेथ, ये ब्रेथ क्या बना सिलेंडर का? ये क्या है? हाइट, है ना? सिलेंडर का हाइट. तो अभी हम ये रेक्टेंगल को सिलेंडर बनाए तो 22 सेंटीमीटर क्या बना? सर्कमफरेंस, दैट इज 22 सेंटीमीटर. इधर वो लेंथ था, लेकिन ये ब्रेथ अभी क्या बनता है? दैट इज अ हाइट, इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. This you have to understand. So rectangle को आप लोग सिलेंडर बनाने के वक्त length becomes the circumference of the base, that is the circle, or breadth becomes the height. Now we'll write. So find the surface area of the cylinder. So first we'll write length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle becomes the circumference of the base of the cylinder. So cylinder के हिसाब से अभी सर्कमफरेंस क्या है? Circumference is 2 pi r. It became 22 centimeter. Now the breadth or the width it becomes the height of the cylinder. So h is equal to 10 centimeter. Now you find out the surface area of this cylinder. So usually ऐसे क्वेश्चन में it is a CSA. Okay, but they have not mentioned. Usually circumference दिया जाता है तो find out the surface area, मतलब CSA find out करने का है. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Formula is 2 pi RH. Already 2 pi r दिया है कितना 22. Height is 10. That is why answer will be 220 centimeter square. If they mention clearly CSA, yes. But sometimes they might ask the TSA, the total surface area. So in that case, how we will find out? We'll see. So total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r plus h. In case if they specify, अगर वो लोग TSA फाइंड आउट करने को बोलेंगे ऐसे सम में, तो हमें ये फॉर्मूला यूज करने का है. बट R, is it given? Yes, 2 pi r is directly you can 2 pi r. Okay, but here R is there, so we have to find out R, isn't it? So for that, you have to find out circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, circumference how much is given? 22. Pi, 2 into pi into r. Find out r. So r is equal to 22 into 7 upon 2 into 22. This goes to the numerator, they both come to the denominator. So r, how much you got? 7 by 2. So you have to find out r separately, then you put the formula. So TSA is equal to TSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r plus h. It is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 bracket 7 by 2 plus h is 10. Now 7 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. You got 22 into 7 by 2 plus 10. You have to take the LCM because it is a fraction. हाँ या ना? ब्रैकेट के अंदर फ्रैक्शन है तो टेक द LCM. 2 is the LCM. न्यूमरेटर, द डिनोमिनेटर LCM सेम रहेगा तो न्यूमरेटर एज इट इज. इधर डिनोमिनेटर 1 आएगा, सो 1 2 जा 2 10 जा 20. तो इधर 22 into 27 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 11s are 11 7s are 77. 11 2s are 22 plus 7 29 centimeter square. So if they ask TSA, then you have to do according to this method. Hope you understood, everyone. If they ask CSA, only up to here, but if they specify TSA, you do this. Here it is not mentioned, but usually if the CSA, the circumference is given, they ask only the CSA. Hope everyone understood the 10th sum. Now coming to, so how the rectangle becomes a cylinder. So the rectangle, this is a rectangular sheet. The length, it is rolled into a cylinder. So the length becomes what? The circumference of the cylinder, isn't it? And the breadth, it becomes the height of the cylinder. That you have to remember. Now coming to the 11th sum. It's a cylindrical well 21 meter deep. There is a well 21 meter deep, means what? Height. Height is a 21 meter. The outer and inner diameters. So the outer diameter, this is the from center to the outer. This is the inner one, this is the outer. So ये अंदर का सिलेंडर है, ये बाहर का सिलेंडर. आउटर इनर बोलेंगे तो ऐसे आता है. देखो ये, this is the inner, this is the outer. So this extra जगह है, थिकनेस है, ठीक है. So this is the inner cylinder, this is the outer cylinder. So inner diameter and the outer diameter. Outer diameter is diameter is 21 meter and this is the inner diameter. Inner diameter, how much they are given? 14 meter. Find the cost of renovating the inner curved surface area and the outer curved surface area at the rate of 25 per meter square. मतलब बाहर का और अंदर का दोनों तरह से उसको रिनोवेट करने का है, ठीक करने का है. तो इसके लिए कितना? सो फाइंड आउट द CSC आएगा ना, है ना. So it is the inner cylinder and the outer cylinder. So shape is cylinder, but there are two cylinders, inner cylinder, outer cylinder. So we'll write outer cylinder, then inner cylinder, first it is a diameter is given. Okay, h is given, we'll write h, both it will be same. (21 meter). Now outer diameter, that is D1 is equal to 21 meter. So R1 will be 21 by 2. Here it is better if we take it in the decimal. Okay, so it is a 10.5. 2 tens are 20, 1 remains, 1 extra 0, 5s are. Now D2 diameter is given, isn't it? 14 meter. So R2 will be 14 by 2, that is 7 meter. Now it is the renovating the inner and the outer curved surface area. So total curved surface area of, why total? Because the inner and outer. So area of outer and inner cylinder. Hope you are understanding why I have written total, because the curved surface area of outer plus the inner. So is equal to CSA of outer cylinder plus CSA of inner cylinder. CSA formula 2 pi R, here R1H plus 2 pi R2H. R1 R2 लिए. Now what is common? 2 is common, pi is common, H is also common. What is not common? R1 and R2. R1 plus R2. कैलकुलेशन इजी होने के लिए ऐसे करते हैं. 2 इंटू 22/7 इंटू H is 21 इंटू R1. R1 कितना आया? 10.5 plus R2 is 7. So 7 ones are, 7 threes are. So you got how much? 2 into 22 into 3 into, it is 10.5 plus 7, that is 17.5. Okay, so when you multiply, you will get 2310 meter square. 2310 meter square. 22 4 2s are 44 into 3 into 17.5. Now it is the area we got. So therefore cost of renovating at ₹25 per meter square. क्या करने का है? 25 into 2310. When you multiply, you will get 57,750. 57,750. So all these multiplication that you have to do in the rough work. Calculation part you have to be careful. You have to get the exact answer. Okay. So we have completed this worksheet. The cylinder CSA and TSA, hope all students are confident. So in the last question, there are two cylinders, inner cylinder and outer cylinder. So find out the curved surface area of the inner plus outer and then multiply with the cost per square meter, isn't it? Bye. Thank you. All the best.